Hi friends, welcome to Spice and Life Canada. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. In today's video, we'll see how to make the very famous Indian style mutton or lamb biryani. For this, I'm going to cook the mutton or the lamb in a pot filled with water just to the level of the lamb, and then I'm adding a bit of salt, some peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To this I'm going to add 1 inch of crushed ginger, and now I'm going to close this pot and allow it to cook for 40 to 45 minutes. This can also be cooked in pressure cooker, but the flavors are enhanced and more flavorful. The mutton is more flavorful when it's cooked in a pot. But when there is time constraint, always we can pressure cook the mutton for say like 5 whistles, and then the mutton is ready to be prepared in the biryani. It is 45 minutes now and the mutton is cooked. Now we can separate the mutton pieces from the stock and take it out separately for making the biryani. Now I'm going to make ginger and garlic paste by using 1 whole garlic and 2 inches of ginger after peeling them, and then I'm going to grind them into a fine paste. Also, I have sliced 2 onions, 1 tomato and 1 green chili. And this, you can see the stock and the mutton pieces separated. I have half a bunch of coriander and mint leaves, and I have soaked 6 cups of basmati rice for 20 minutes. Now to make the biryani, I've used the same heavy bottom pot which I used to cook the mutton in, and now I'm heating it up and heated 3 tablespoons of oil in it. And now I'm adding some whole spices, 2 cinnamons, 3 cloves and around 10 cardamoms. And now I'm adding half a tablespoon of shahi jeera or caraway seeds and half tablespoon of regular cumin seeds. Shahi jeera, the caraway seeds are optional, so if it's not available, we could just make it to 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And now I'm frying it in the oil. So adding 5 bay leaves and then frying all together. These give the very distinct aroma to the biryani. When the spices are lightly fried, we can add the sliced onions and saute them, and also we can add the ground ginger and garlic paste. I have got around 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. In case we want to add ready-made paste, we can still do that too, but the flavors are more when it's freshly ground. And now we fry the onions and the ginger garlic paste together in this oil. At this stage, I'm adding the tomato and the green chili and sauteing all together. And we're cooking this until the tomatoes are mashed, and then slowly the oil starts separating from the gravy. Now I'm adding 4 teaspoons of chili powder, also I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, which is totally optional. If available, this can be added, but if not, it can be left. And now I'm stirring all together and then making this into a thick gravy and cooking it until the oil starts separating from this gravy. To this now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Keep in mind, salt we already added to the mutton when it was cooking. And now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Cook this in low flame and this becomes the base for our biryani. To this, I'm adding the mutton pieces and mixing all together with the masala gravy. And I'm going to add the chopped coriander and mint leaves at this stage and stirring it and mixing all together. Now I'm going to add water and the stock to this gravy and bring it to a boil. The ratio for water is, for 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of liquid. So first I use the stock, and then later for the remaining I use the water, and then I'm going to boil this water. Once the water is boiled, I'm going to add the strained basmati rice to this boiled water, and then I'm going to gently stir everything together and then even out the rice, and then I'm going to cover this pot and cook it on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and then gently stir up the rice, just one stirring up everything, and then again close the lid and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. During this 15 minutes, do not open the lid so that the steam and the pressure inside the pot builds up and the rice gets cooked in that steam itself. This is what gives the biryani its very distinct texture and flavor. After 15 minutes, switch off the stove and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee over the rice and then give a gentle stir all together, and now our biryani is ready to be served. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment on our channel. Thanks for watching.